Alright, welcome to the last video of this section of the basic syntax. Over here, this is going to be a short video because I just want to show you a thing that becomes important later on, and it is really helpful when you're learning, but it's not completely essential to programming. Those are called comments. So comments are basically notes that you leave for yourself within your code. So these lines won't run, like the Python interpreter knows not to run these lines. So you can use those to just leave notes for yourself. So for example, if I say name is equal to Sabir, then I can follow this with a hashtag and with a hashtag, and after this I can basically write the notes for myself. So I can say variable name contains names. So I've basically given a note for myself. So even if I go ahead and change the value of this variable name, I'll know that what type of data the variable is containing. Is containing names. So if I run this, it didn't give me an error, even though this variable name contains names. It has no quotes around it. This isn't proper Python syntax, but Python knew to ignore it because of the hashtag. So you can have comments, multi-line comments. So for example, this code greets hello, pass your name, get greeted. I'm basically writing comments for myself to know what the following code will do. So name, you don't need to know this syntax. Input, what is your name, and then print hello plus name. Alright, so the following code greets me hello. So if I run this, it asks me my name, Sabir, hello Sabir. Okay, yeah, so this bit of the code didn't run. Even this is just notes for myself. And in Jupyter and in most IDEs, in most text editors, what you can do is that you can write notes for myself. So writing notes for myself for future Sabir. Over here, what I can do is I can hit Control and the / key to comment it, to toggle comment. Control and the / the question mark key even, and I can highlight all of this. I know you can't see it, that's just because of my skin. I'm going to change that, but I've highlighted all of that, and I'm going to hit Control and the / again, and it highlights the whole thing. It comments the whole thing. So though that's just a shortcut, a keyboard shortcut, because you don't want to be writing every line starting with a hashtag. You can just write your notes, highlight it all, and then hit Control question mark or Control / to quickly comment out that code, those notes. And this works in Jupyter, this works in VS Code, this works in Sublime. It doesn't work in the vanilla Notepad, but it does work in Notepad++. So yeah, that was just a short video. The comments do become important when your project gets big, but and I would recommend that you do write comments for yourself instead of, so you have notes with your code, and you have notes in a notebook as well. So yeah, that's the end of this section and the end of this video. Next up, we're moving on to this cool stuff I did here. If name equals Sabir, how to check and conditionally run code. Alright, see you then. Thank you.